If you are above the age of 60 and are experiencing symptoms such as muscle loss, weariness, or limb weakness, it is possible that these symptoms are not just the result of aging. There is a possibility of sarcopenia. But what if I told you that cheese may be the first step toward finding a solution? Indeed, the appropriate sort of cheese that is made from actual food, as opposed to protein powders or pills, can assist in the process of rebuilding muscle, enhances strength, and even combating inflammation. Why cheese is considered to have a bad reputation. Cheese has a poor reputation since it is highly fatty, has an excessive amount of salt, and is not at all nutritional. If I were to tell you that some cheeses, when selected with care, may truly assist in the reconstruction of your muscles after the age of 65, what would you think? No, you are correct. There is a possibility that the key to combating sarcopenia is already stored in your refrigerator, wrapped in wax paper, and ready to achieve miraculous results. These 3 great cheeses are full with just what your muscles want after the age of 60. Protein, healthy fats, and important nutrients. 3 most powerful cheeses for repairing muscles. I'm not talking about your typical snack cheeses here. The use of these potent, natural instruments for muscle healing is becoming more suggested by medical professionals and researchers, particularly for persons over the age of 65. Stay with me until the very end, and I will demonstrate how to take use of them in the most effective manner while minimizing the potential for harm. If you choose the appropriate sort of cheese, it is not only safe to consume, but it may really be beneficial to your health as you get older, as stated by medical professionals. When it comes to maintaining muscle mass after the age of 65, it has the potential to be one of the most beneficial diets. Sarcopenia, a condition that describes a gradual loss of muscle mass that affects millions of people, does not have to be your destiny. I am going to demonstrate to you today how 3 cheeses that are commonplace and tasty may help you maintain your strength, stability, and independence for a much longer period of time than you might believe. Get a pen and paper ready, since you are going to want to jot down this information as soon as possible. We will explain the science behind them, when they should be consumed, and how you may include them into your daily routine without causing your cholesterol levels to rise or causing you to acquire weight that you do not want to have. So now let's get started. Number 1, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese, the hidden hero of senior nutrition, is the first item on the agenda. This modest cheese is actually one of the most powerful muscle-building meals that are available to older adults. I know what you might be thinking. Cottage cheese could remind you of those old diet programs from the 1980s, but this cheese is actually one of the most powerful foods available to older individuals. It is because of the following why cottage cheese is so unique. There are 25 grams of casein protein in 1 cup, which is a type of protein that digests slowly and helps you maintain your muscle mass even while you are sleeping. Each cup contains 25 grams of protein, is rich in leucine, and offers assistance for recuperation overnight. Leucine is an essential amino acid that is responsible for activating the process of muscle protein synthesis. At the age of 60, this is of the utmost importance. On what basis should it be used? If you want to rebuild your muscles while you sleep, try drinking a cup of coffee with cinnamon and walnuts before going to bed. Number 2, Parmesan cheese. There is more to it than simply pasta. This hard, aged cheese is loaded with protein, phosphate, and calcium, which increases bone density, and it only requires a small amount to be consumed. Each ounce has 10 grams of protein, has a low lactose content, and promotes bone and muscular health. Studies have shown that matured cheeses, such as Parmesan, have more nutrients that are readily available and contain less lactose, making them more user-friendly for digestive systems that are more advanced. On what basis should it be used? This is a wonderful topping for roasted vegetables, soups, or eggs. A tablespoon is all that is required to give flavor and nutrition. Number 3, Swiss cheese. Instead of being processed into slices, true Swiss cheese is abundant in vitamin B12, zinc, and high-quality lipids, all of which provide fuel for fatigued muscles and maintain neurological function. 8 grams of protein, vitamin B12, and support for the muscles and nerves are all contained in each slice. It is normal for people over the age of 60 to have a shortage in B12, which can cause weariness and muscular weakness. Swiss cheese is a delectable topping that can be added to any dish. What is the proper way to utilize it? For a snack that is good for your blood sugar, including a slice in your sandwich or eating it with apple slices, is a good option. In order to combat sarcopenia in a natural way, consistency is essential. Aim to consume one of these cheeses on a daily basis, along with getting plenty of exercise, staying hydrated, and eating meals that are high in protein. Calcium, B12, protein, taste, and recuperation are all important. There are no powders or pills involved. Rather, you will be provided with genuine, nutritional food that will maintain your strength, independence, and vitality. Which of these cheeses are you going to choose to sample first? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section, and don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel Natural Life Hacks, and send it to someone who is interested in maintaining their strength at the age of 60. Thanks for watching.